Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best drawing tablet that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro Medium Bluetooth Graphics Drawing Tablet. Wacom continuously sets the industry standard for the best graphic tablets. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced graphics designer proficient with drawing tools or even most drawing tablets, you won't make a mistake with Wacom tablets. Wacom Intuos Pro comes in 3 sizes and takes all the perks of the Wacom Intuos and kicks them up a notch. The Pro version has similar hardware to Wacom Intuos, but offers 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, which is twice as much as the regular version, providing smoother transitions between opacity levels. That kind of sensitivity also helps with realistic handwriting, and you can easily see the fine-tuned precision the best Wacom tablet brings to the table. Moving on at number 4, we have the Apple iPad Pro 13-inch M5 Ultra Retina XDR display. The pen and screen do not have the same traction as pen and paper. If this is something you care about, we recommend using your drawing tablet with screen protection on, one that has a matte surface to imitate the texture of the paper. The most significant advantage of the iPad as a drawing tablet is its optimized mobile platform for producing high-quality imagery. The Liquid Retina display looks fantastic, and as expected from Apple, everything runs without a hitch on both display sizes, 11 and 12.9. A whole range of apps from the Adobe Creative Cloud is available for iOS, and Adobe Fresco works like a charm to deliver the realistic painting experience it promises. Of course, the ultimate drawing app for the iPad is Apple's own Procreate. At number 3, we have the XP Pen Artist 12 Pro 11.6-inch FHD drawing monitor. XP Pen's Artist 15.6 Pro is an exciting product for those on a budget. This drawing table is meant for artists, hobbyists, and beginners who need a top-performing yet cheap drawing tablet with a screen. The working area of 13.55 x 7.62 is on the large side compared to most standard devices. The full HD screen has a wide visual angle of 178 degrees and a screen resolution of 1920 x 1080 pixels. The anti-glare matte drawing surface offers excellent traction reminiscent of paper. Like the Wacom Intuos Pro, XP Pen's Artist 15.6 Pro has a multifunctional radial menu button with 8 customizable keys next to the working area. The power button is on the side of the tablet, right next to the brightness adjusting keys. This affordable tablet is excellent for those looking for the best screen drawing tablet with a stylus. At number 2, we have the Microsoft new Surface Book 3-15 touchscreen. If you think a laptop-tablet hybrid sounds ideal, the Microsoft Surface Book 3 is bound to impress you. Microsoft has packed some pretty powerful hardware into this device, and even though it's far from the best affordable drawing tablet on the market, the Surface Book 3 has plenty to offer for its price tag. The Surface Book 3 comes in 2 sizes, with a 13.5 or 15 display, providing a work area for drawing on par with any larger dedicated drawing tablet model. The top performance models have i7 10th Gen Intel processors, up to 2 TB of SSD storage, 32 GB of RAM, and NVIDIA's GTX 1650 series graphics. And finally, at number 1, we have the HUION Inspiroy H640p drawing tablet. The HUION Inspiroy H640p offers excellent performance and won't break anyone's bank, making it the best drawing tablet for beginners. The sleek and light design is the first thing that pops out when you see HUION's tablet. It weighs just 277 grams, and it's only 8 millimeters thick. You can see the 6.3 x 3.9 work area is marked out by the dots in the corners and has 6 programmable keys next to it. The tablet surface is textured enough to provide traction with the pen. It also has 4 rubberized feet, so it won't slip from under your hands while you draw. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.